Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I've been back to Primark, guys. We have got a Primark haul. Just one bag this time and it's all workout gym stuff. So yes, I have a bag full of stuff from Primark to go through with you. I went back to get some more of their workout wear. I can't remember what they called it. It was something like that. I'll find out in a second. Yes, so I needed some stuff. Chris and I obviously joined the gym. We've been going a few times a week. So I needed more just clothes and things to wear whilst we're there, because obviously they get sweaty, they need to go in the wash. So it's nice to have some backups, and obviously Primark had a really good selection, so I wanted to go back and have a look. They had moved the section of like workout gym clothes, whatever you want to call them, since I went in last time, which was only like 2 weeks ago, but they moved them, which is absolutely fine. It's one of them things. And I did find it. They did still have an excellent selection. Quite a lot there. A lot to choose from. So I'll show you what I got. Just as ever. I'll show you them. I will try them on for you and insert a clip of that. So without further ado, let's get into it. Ashley bought some more gym kit. It's crazy. Me who doesn't exercise hitting up the gym. New clothes. Anyway, let's show you these. Yes, they do call it the workout range. So, Primark workout range. I knew it was something like workout. Okay, so firstly, I will just show you this, and I will actually just be inserting the clip from my last Primark haul because I bought this again. This vest, which is supposedly a pink colour. It's a slightly purpley, pinky colour really. Mauve? I don't know. Anyway, this is it's one I got last time, so it fits perfect. I got it in a size medium, again, 12 to 14, just a little bit more room. So it's not clinging to you, you know, you don't want a top to be clinging to you while you're exercising. And this cost £3.50, which I think is fabulous, really, let's be honest. But no, I have worn, well not this one, but I have worn my other version to the gym a couple of times now actually. And it worked out really well for me, so get another one. And then I also picked up the same one in black. So just the exact same design. Again, the same size. I got a medium and it was £3.50 as the other one was. So this, obviously I haven't worn it yet, but I shall enjoy that one, I'm sure, as much as the previous one. Yeah. Okay, next I got a couple of t-shirt versions of the top. Okay, so first, and it's in a very similar colour. It might be slightly more purple, I think, than the last one. Hang on, let me show you. Yeah, slightly more purple. This one's got a slightly more pink of a tint. Anyway, so I picked that up. It's t-shirt. Having tried them all on, the mediums and are a lot baggier perhaps than the smalls, but anyway, I'll talk to you about that in a sec. So I got a size medium in this one and it is £4. Not bad at all. £4 for an exercise top. I liked the colour, like I said, it's very similar to the other one, but I did pick it up in a couple of other colours. You might want to put your sunglasses on, this one's bright. Woo! And I don't think it's going to come up on the camera because it's just not. It is actually, it looks on the camera like, I don't know, but it is hot, hot pink. Hot, hot pink. It's not as orangey as it is on the camera, it's hot pink. It's bright pink. Bright, bright pink. So this one, I actually got this one in a size small and it fits perfectly well. So they're all quite just big, loose-ish t-shirts. And again, this was £4, which, like I said, I think is amazing. Amazing. Okay, and I also got it in black. I wore it to the gym, so it's actually currently drying. I've washed it. It's currently in the other room drying on the air. So I can't show you that right this very minute, but obviously I will be inserting a clip now. And I got that one in a size small, and again, it cost me £4. Gotta love a good black t-shirt, haven't you, in general, so why not have one for the gym? And like I said, I did wear it to the gym and I really enjoyed it, so excellent. Okay, so next I actually picked myself up the leggings that I bought last time. Got them again because I really like them. So I got the same as I did last time. I got the mediums, which are 12 to 14, and again they were £10 just like last time. So I love these. Love the fact they've got a little pocket. Where's the pocket? There it is. I find that super duper useful because I don't live crazy far away from the gym. I've been kind of getting changed and stuff prior to going and then coming home for a shower and things. So I just find it really useful to slip my gym card in the pocket so I can get out, scan, blip blip blip, and then I don't need to carry like loads of stuff around with me, just my water bottle. Anyway, yeah, so I really like those leggings. Now I have 2 pairs. That looks like 4, but 2. Okay, next I picked up like a little set. Well, they're 2 separates, which I bought separately, but I'll show you them both. Right, so I got a grey sports bra. I bought a sports bra in there last time. Grey also, actually. Not the same one though, not the same one. This one's got like little stripe-ish detailings down the side. But I did pick up this in the same size as I got last time. This was a medium, which is a 12 to 14. It fits really well, and it cost me £5. So there's that. And then I got the leggings to match. Again, they've got that kind of stripe detailing down the side. I don't know if that's going to come up on the camera. But yeah, leggings. These ones were only £6, which I thought was an amazing price. Again, I got them in a 12 to 14 because I knew the last ones fit me well. I think these are slightly tighter than the black leggings. So maybe this is one I will wear down the line. I don't know, but they do fit, if you know what I mean. They do fit fine. Or what I'll probably do is maybe wear them together and then pop one of the t-shirts over the top. So it's not as loose, I was going to say, so it don't look as loose, so it doesn't look as tight on me when I'm in the gym. If I got something covering it, it's fine. But, you know, I think they'll do okay, and obviously I'm hoping to drop, you know, a little bit of the chubbier bits of me, so that hopefully will fit perfectly. Like I say, they do fit absolutely fine, I just am aware that they feel very fitted. Okay, that's actually all the clothes items, but I did pick up a couple of other bits and bobs, so I'll show you those. Okay, firstly then I picked up a pack of sports socks. Yeah, sports socks, check me out. Didn't really need a lot of socks, but the fact that they're sports socks, thought I should get myself some. And I got them in kind of similar-ish colours to the workout wear that I chose. So I've got a hot pink, a pale pink, I think that's a navy actually, which doesn't really go with them, but it's fine. Go with them greys, won't it? Then we've got like a orangey colour and a lilac-y colour. So I just really liked the bright colours of them and I thought they were really good. It says they're microfiber lightweight. They've got comfort top. They've got arch support in there. There's like some like ridging along there. And then a ventilation mesh apparently is what they are made with. I don't know. But anyway, I just thought that that would be nice to have on under my trainers. Okay, the next thing that I got, I picked myself up some gloves. They're like workout weight gloves, are they called? Weight gloves, 2-pack. I got these in a size small. They had various sizes, but I tried them on in the shop and they fit well, just for obviously if I'm doing weights and things. And to be honest, it's good to help you grip because you do get a little bit hot and sweaty in there. So yeah, got myself some of those. I'm sure I got these off way easier last time. Oh my god. I'm sure I got them off way easier last time. I think my fingers might have swollen since. They do fit well though. Okay, and the very last item on this gym kit haul, let's call it, I don't know. I got a big old bottle. It's in a hot pink fuchsia colour. Chris actually picked one of these up last time we were in Primark and he's been using it to kind of make sure he gets the amount of water a day that he's supposed to drink. This holds 2.2 litres. It actually has little lines on them somewhere that tells you how like sorry, I don't know why I had to tap on each of them. How much water's in there. So you've got up to there's 250, 500, 750, blah, 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 all the way up to this one here, which is 2 litres. And then if you fill it all the way to the top, it's 2.2 litres. So that if I fill that a day, that's what I have to drink. I have actually been doing really well at getting my water in recently, but I just thought that'll be useful. And if it's heavy, it's a little bit of extra calorie burning, isn't it? Maybe I should have got 2. Not a gym expert, look at that. I don't know what that is. We actually did do some like weights the other day. Ooh, ooh. That was a struggle. Anyway guys, that was everything that I picked up in this little mini haul. Still a fair bit in there. I think everything that I got cost me about £50. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think of the bits and bobs that I picked up today. What do you think of Primark's workout range? Have you used any of it? Tell me where you like to get your gym kit from. Where does the best gym clothes? I am new to this. Obviously I'm happy with all of this for now, but you never know, there might be something better out there. Anyway guys, like I said, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. If you have enjoyed, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Got stuff like this coming all the time. I literally just dropped a Primark haul not that long ago. Anyway guys, until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye bye guys. Take care.